It's just like, man, you got to have that time where you just like disconnect from the scene, just the race, like, and it's a race that I've created in my head, you know, but you have to step away from it.
Hi guys, I just posted it on Twitter, Facebook and everywhere. I wait some seconds, minutes before I start, but as you can see, I'm already in a position with our scalping from this one. It's a risky one, but yeah, let's see. Let me grab something to drink and I will come back. So now I'm back. Hi again. So let's do another scalping session like every day. Now I think I streamed a couple of days now. So today was really lucrative here. I took these 3 here and let me see my chart. Okay. So here my chart, you can see I start with 108 US dollar, and yeah, today first 2 were winning trades. I take with like 50% of my capital, then 1 loss, but it was a wide stop, that's why it was a huge loss compared to my initial start date. And then 3 winning trades, these 3 here, and I'm up 164, so 1.5x my account already today, so looking good. But yeah, it's the first day, we have to be careful here. I will do this every day. I have here some restrictions. Of course, it is after 5 wins I will stop the trading for today, or wait until a stop loss is hit. Technically I will do it in a chart and wait until something hits stop loss. And no trades on weekend, of course, and a Monday morning before New York opens. And no trades 1 hour before and after New York open. It's always useful not open a new position there. and when stop loss hits, I go all in. I know this is a bit crazy, but I did it 2 weeks before with a small account and was able to 16x it, and I will try it now here on Bybit also, and I will only use Bitcoin. So just like this. And this is now the trade that took here. Let's zoom in. So we have here the MACD cross under the 0 line and the candles. Let me check, sorry. And oh, I see it wasn't a right setup. Ooh, bad. So I thought, okay, this is up above the 200 EMA, risky. Okay. But okay, we had here also one. So here we are clearly under the 0 line and crossed it, and we are with price above the 0 line, so this would be the initial trade. And stop loss, like on this here, you see it's risky. We already hit it once nearly. Here, and made now a higher low, sorry. So yeah, let's see. But it's risky after such a huge drop, and I think we are anyway, for those who saw my post, at the pivot point here on the daily, so there will be a lot going on. And we are also on the R1 here, which is resistance, of course. Not sure if we come back up again or even break it. This, but there you see is a reaction. But the 200 EMA on the hourly crosses now the green P, so we have support here in this area. Let's see if we backtest it. But I think the important one today is, will we close the daily above the green P or not? And yeah, that's important. Maybe it can be something like this here. We touched it, then down, small candles, and then up again, and then breaking and up. But as you can see, this is the daily chart. Now we touched it, and this can take over a week. So it's not for sure if we close above it that we will get our explosive move up. We can easily get rejected like here, and then down and up, or rejected and down to the 200 EMA and then the break. But we are still above the 200 EMA, so we are technically bullish. But we are in a short for a long time. And our stop loss is, I think, somewhere here. Our loss take profit would be in this S1 area, where also the CME gap is. So let's see what we stayed in this trade for. Like, I'm not even sure when we took it, but this is weeks, but not even, or months. Somewhere here we took it, and yeah. But anyway, so let's just do it for the 1 minute here, which is always fun. So this would be the trade. Stop loss down here, and then for a 2 like this. that would mean nearly 11k, and this is so the green P is here on the daily, so this is resistance. I think when we go up again in this area I will close my trade here. Yeah, I already said it somewhere here on this wick. Maybe we got the wick, maybe we got even the close, but we have huge resistance here, so yeah. Now when I'm looking at it, I'm not happy that I'm in a position here. Yeah, I'm in profit a little bit, and yeah, let's see. I will let it ride just for the stream. And as always, if you have some questions, feel free to ask. We can talk about everything. And don't forget about our competition. We need 17 people more. It starts in 8 days to unlock our first prize pool. Just you find everything in the descriptions or in our channels. So yeah, join. It's our money where we can take as group, and we should not let this opportunity drive by. We should take it. This is the thank you from Bybit. And yeah, let's do this. And share it if you want to other people. You see the instructions here on our website or in our channels, whatever. I even posted here the monthly code which everyone can use. Just open a Bybit account, join the competition, use this code to join our group for free for 30 days. So let's do this. And yeah, we need for the first prize pool 17 people more. Currently in a decision point. When you see here on the daily, we are right at the pivot point. So this is the make or break point. Maybe something like this we had here down, rejections sideways and up. I will turn bullish if we start closing a candle above the green P. But there is always the risk that it is a fake out, that it can, like, it's hard, but let's maybe search if we find a fake out on the green P. Something like this. This was the China pump, if you remember that. We went up, closed above the green P, but this was a fake out. So we danced around, lost it, back tested it and down. So it's hard, but I think I'm turning bullish as soon as we close the daily candle above the green P. And as long as we stay under it, we are bearish. Let me stop the alarm for the stream. So yeah, but we are still above the 200 EMA, which is also technically bullish. But we stood here since April, I think, yes. So for quite some time. Bounced here, 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 here. And right now also bounce, even when we have this room left, right? But you see, a rejection here can easily bring us back down to the 200 EMA or to S1. And here, right at the S1, is the CME gap, which is still not filled. We are not filled from this candle here, and all the stop loss. So a rejection here, I would say we go down. At least the CME gap, take the stop loss from here, and then we have to see what's going on. If we close candles under the 200 EMA, we maybe see more downwards. But as long as we stay above, we are technically bullish. Even when we are in a short position from here somewhere. But our stop loss is now at take profit 1, I think, somewhere here. So let's see. I expected for October that we have more downward. So this can be just a retest on the green P before we continue down. So be careful. Even with this strong move we had today, we are not out of the woods. Now we got straight rejected at R1 here on the 4-hour and the hourly. So let's see when we go down, maybe backtest it here or here. What's going on? So when we roll over, then we are turning bearish, because then we lost the green P here on the daily and also the green P on the hourly, 4-hourly, somewhere there. When we close here, so we maybe see then down to the CME gap, which is here at somewhere here at S3, S4 somewhere. Yes. So we have to wait and see what's going on. Don't force in a position. For support and resistance, you mean the pivot points here, this green P, all this stuff. So these are the pivot points. This one. Just type in pivots and you will see it. And I changed this green P, which is the most important one, to green. Thank you, Blockchain Busted. Yeah, nice to have volatility. That's why we are in crypto, right? But right now it's a critical point. I wouldn't open a new position. Sure, on the 1 minute, of course, just for the fun. But not something big. I'm not feeling that okay here with this position. I just let it run for a bit. As you see, we have a little bit trouble to go higher. I hope just one last push, maybe a volume candle like this, where you see a spike in green volume, then close it. It's always a good idea to close longs on these candles, on these volume spikes here or here. As soon as you see volume spikes like this, just close it. The same for the other direction. You see here, volume spike red, just a little bit, and then we went up. And I just wait for a volume spike on green, or if we go somewhere near this region, then I will close it. I stay, just for the stream. Because technically this is a setup for our oops, for our 1 minute scalper. Candles above 200 EMA, cross down here, a MACD from the 0 line. Not sure if you can see it like this. Yes, of course, like always, I have the ETH, of course. But ETH is currently on the 4 hour right at the green P. But on the daily we have some space. The problem with ETH here is we are here in no man's land. So we don't know, we have nothing here. We have support here, and resistance here. And we stay right in the middle of this. So opening a position here is really, really risky. But ETH is lagging a bit behind Bitcoin, I think, because Bitcoin is at the green P. So we will see. But open a position here is very risky. And yeah, the other alts I didn't check it. Maybe we can see what else we have. So ADA maybe. Switch to the daily. We are under green P and under 200 EMA, so this is bearish. Litecoin. Everyone expected Litecoins at 60. But yeah, as you can see, under 200 EMA and under green P bearish. EOS had this huge spike on the Google alert, which was really funny. I talked about that in the stream, that this can be just a fake out, and look at this, we are nearly down here. We wicked down at the beginning of the candle. So yeah, sell the news always, even when it's Google in it. You see, just imagine how many persons opened along about just because of this alert, this Google announcement. They saw something like this and thought, okay, that's it, EOS will just go to the moon, and then down, slow down, down, and look where we are. Nothing special. Sell the news always. Bitcoin Cash had an up move, so it bounced. Okay, this is interesting. So we found support here on the green P and broke with this candle yesterday the 200 EMA, so this is bullish. Yeah, always sell the news. Yeah, and a short position is always good if you don't over leverage. This can wick up. I hope for a wick so I can close my position. And yeah, sorry. These are the alerts. Let's check maybe other assets. So XRP. I think our trading bot closed the XRP long today. That's good. So we had here like a double bottom, a bounce, so this is really bullish for XRP. Also XRP BTC. Tron, yeah, I'm not sure if it's worth talking about Tron, but yeah, just sideways. Yeah, but I think the main focus is now on Bitcoin, but XRP really looks bullish. Something like this. We have to see what Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin goes down, XRP US dollar will maybe also go down. But if Bitcoin starts going up or staying above here, XRP will move. Let's see, maybe worth a trade. Some strange candles are shown here. Look at this. Sure, this is only the 5 minute, but this looks like a whole mess. What's going on? Ah, that's because we closed the 4 hour soon. 12 minutes until we close the 4 hour. I really don't like this. I will, as soon as we go a little more down, I will close it on the next. I really don't like this. I'm scared I get rid of all of this. It's not that much, but compared where I started, it was a good day for the scalping session. I don't want to lose it now, just I overtrade or just when I stream. Maybe let's check. Next volume spike up, or if we turning down, I will close it. Yeah. Okay, I closed it. I don't like it, the setup here, right at the top. We will find another trade. Even when it's going up, so I missed this one. I'm still happy with the day. So I'm here. 1.5 started with 108 and right now at 164. Good day. but I will have a look. I see some more messages. So I always increase it, because when I have a long setup, I got always 50% cross in. This is scary, I know, but yeah, it's the way I do this. And next time when stop loss hits, I get 100% in. But I start really with a low account. As you can see, I started with 100. But I did this on BitMEX the last 2 weeks, and I made a huge amount. Let me see if I can find the sheet for that. Let me search it. So we have the sheet where I start testing it. Give me some seconds. Yeah, found it. So this was the sheet where I started this in 1 minute. The first one, I started with 0.059, so like $50, and I started here and traded it for, I'm not sure, these are like from the 18th to the 1st, so like 12 days. So, and I managed to bring the balance up to 0.1119. This was just amazing, just using this strategy. But it's really scary. As you can see, we can check it here. I started here with, I won. This stars here is when I go all in. So after a loss, I go all in here. So the first day wasn't that good. I made some profits here. But somewhere, yeah, right here, one loss, and I'm even lower here on the second day where I started. So imagine you do this with $1,000 or 10,000, and then you are down here. But as you can see, then it starts really coiling up, and then up, and as soon as I was here somewhere, yeah, where I broke the 0.1 level, it was really scary, because you go all in, for example here with $700, right? So you have to just think about the numbers, just keep to the strategy. And I had a loss, and I did, and all in, and managed to do it like here. Then we had some sideways, and then I stopped because we started our competition, and there was a lot stuff to do and writing calls, whatever. As you can see, I spam all channels with this competition. So yeah, this took quite some time. Then I stopped, and I decided to start with Bybit now. I just one account for Bitcoin, but I did this with Bitcoin and ETH, and it's really amazing for 12 days from 0.0059 to 0.1 bitcoins, so 19x the account. And I checked here the winning and losing trades, and as you see the ratio, you have nearly the same winning losing, and we have here the double on ETH. Quite some losing trades, right? So we had like 19. We hit stop loss, but still managed to make it 19x, 19x, sorry. Oh, balls deep. So in this case, I think with this account here, where I started with $100, I do it for a month and see where I stay. at the end of the month. So when next month it is 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000, whatever, I will check. Of course, the goal would be that I bring from low to the 1 Bitcoin, for example, and then I will sure sell some. I will not just wait until it's everything wiped. So I'm not decided when, but yeah, we have so much time on Bitcoin. It is there 24/7. I'm not in a rush to, and I will definitely not just open an account with $10,000 and start doing this, because I know the risk there. As you can see here, a lot of stop loss hit, and these are only 12 days. So what about 30 days or 6 months, whatever? I don't want to wipe this account up, but I really like it, and it was profitable this time. And now let's see what's going on here. And this time it was also profitable. Today. Tomorrow maybe there's another picture. But as you can see, I not always stick completely to it, so I closed this long here because I don't feel that good, and I have this restriction here. For example, no trades on weekend Monday morning, no trades 1 hour before New York opens and after, something like this, and no trade when a big move happened like today. Because yeah, it's that many wicks to all sides, it's not a good time to open a position, even not for the 1 minute. Or when I have to do it and I really want to trade it for what reasons, whatever, I will just do small positions. Very good. Yeah, I will do it maybe then. But I, for sure, right now, where we do our competition here, I stick everything on Bybit now. And they allowed me also to share the screen here, all this stuff. On BitMEX you can't do this, you get banned. So, yeah. I will just... It was fun to bring it up, and now I was a bit scared here at the end. There's $1,000, right? And yeah, I think I sold some. Maybe I will, when I continue with BitMEX, I try to bring it then up to this one again. But let's see, maybe I continue with the Bybit scalper here. Whatever. Yeah, and as you see, even when we go up, no, it was a good decision to close it. Look at this 5-minute candles. This is a pure disaster. The 4-hour will close soon, so no, looks like a swing failure pattern here. We just wick right up here, some dollars on Bybit, and then down. Oh, let's hope we can stay up here. Interesting. So maybe we can see it here a bit better. Was it on the 4-hour? Yes. So let's take this here. Yeah, we wicked. So we wicked right some dollars, like $4 or $5 above the previous high here. So this could be just a stop hunt before we continue down, because this is the green P, right? Look at this, this is nasty. I didn't saw it, I thought it was just the same level, but it wicked just up. Interesting, so let's see what comes to us next hours or days. Yes, I was there. The bull run. This was This was really nice. I talked with some friends of mine and we all thought we are getting rich the next month or something. And then came the sell-off. It was funny times. Many wiped out, many lost everything. But it was really was a strange time. You not even had to do some TA, you had to just pick some alt, put your money there, the next day it was doubled. This bull market was just crazy. And I remember all these shit coins, all these useless projects, all this. Oh shit, you saw your state? You stayed in your position. You saw the numbers and didn't sell your coins. Yeah, this is hard. So are you now underwater, or do you wait, or do you close everything? What? In what asset did you invest? Was it XRP? From 450 to 120k, this is huge. It has to be XRP, right? Or ETH. Ah, okay. The ICO bubble, yeah. Did you also invest in BitConnect? Good. I saw a lot of people losing everything there on this shitty YouTubers, all this stuff. It was just a mess. Yeah, I was close to invest at that time. I was on the website and I thought, yeah, it's a good thing, check some YouTube review, everything good. So, but something held me back and I'm really happy about it. You can ask everything. Whatever you want. Oh yeah, Trevon James. Oh yeah, I remember his videos. He's still doing YouTube videos or spams on Twitter. I can't believe it. And he has still followers. So I trade for some years, like before 17. And yeah, as a crypto trader, you are always on the chart, right? 24/7. But yeah, on weekend I just step away. I think, yeah, maybe sometimes when there's nothing to do or whatever, I stick a lot of time in the bots. So our bots in our channels, this took quite a while to make them running and set up everything with Cornix, the alerts there, all this stuff. This took quite some time, and also the pinecode there. But yeah, I'm really proud of these bots and I hope they will get everyone good profit. And on weekend I just don't trade. Or when I'm really hangover or whatever, then maybe when I do nothing else, I can do some trading. Profitable? This is a really good question. So I wiped out many accounts. I can't even tell. And I have still sometimes struggling because sometimes I check for the idea like this 1 minute scalping, then I really stick to it and put everything on it, and then it can be that I lose everything, right? And I wiped out a lot of accounts, I'm not even sure. I'm happy that you find the bots good. That's yeah, I'm really proud of them, especially on Bybit bot. This is amazing. All assets are covered now. I think we hit stop loss on ETH today, but we hit take profit on Bitcoin and XRP. So we have to see on the long run. The last month, especially on summer, when there was time, I stick a lot of time in the bots because the backtesting was that great. Because we had a down move here, a huge down move, then we had sideways here, up move here, and sideways, all this stuff. And I put everything on the bots because with this backtest stuff, down, sideways and up, you can create a bot which is profitable for the next years, and this was the goal. So let's see, but sure, when I see the bots are doing nothing, just hit stop loss, I will edit it. But for right now, I'm very happy about the bots and I let it run. And I really like the DCA bot. This was amazing. The DCA bot went long it at 10,900 or somewhere, and I think it was here or here, some of these ups, and I thought, oh no, this is not gonna end well. So it opened the first trade here, then added here, and I thought, okay, maybe when we go up here, but nothing happened. Then down here it added again, so our DCA was like here or here, and then here again it added, and somewhere here again, I'm not sure, but at the end we closed in profit. It was amazing today. Yes, when you're in a position for a long time. So the DCA bot, I'm not sure where, but I thought it was here or here. So it stayed in a position for 10 days. Yes. Carlos, let me check. I think... Did you get a welcome message from me already? Because I have to do this manually. I didn't check it. So in the welcome message, you get every info you need. Or you also in the chat. Maybe join in the chat and I can send you the welcome message. There you have every information you need. The problem is I have to do this manually. So I have to write to every new... Okay, so Carlos, just enter the VIP chat. You have a link there. Then I see your name. Or just write me, whatever. But I think on the welcome message you get every information you need. And there are still some people left. I did check it because yeah, the access code is now for everyone. So they are joining and I have to write everyone personally. There is no better solution. I can't send just a welcome message. Send it in the chat. Oh, I know this is maybe a bit overwhelming. There are 7 channels. I can just talk about it if you want. Okay, perfect. So as soon as you write me, I will give you the welcome message. So we have the signals channel where we post signals. These are from me and also from Mikas, which can post signals there. Basically just signals, go long, go short. But in the last time we didn't make many signals there. We stick more to the educational stuff. But for sure in the future we will do more signals. And we have some long-term signals like the short we sit in like 2 or 3 months, whatever. So yeah. And then we have the day trading. I know the name is a bit confusing. Maybe I will change it to just TA. So it's just technical analysis or whatever is up. For example, promotion of the Bybit competition or whatever is going on. I have to tell maybe something from the bot or so. So it's like an overall channel where I can post because, and also Mikas can post there. He's another admin. So it's kind of, because on the VIP chat, sometimes things get missed. Just imagine you are off for 1 or 2 days and then you see the 300 messages, you don't go in, right? And yeah, after that we have the VIP chat, which everyone should join there, which is really nice, really helpful people. It's just a chat for everyone. Scalp alerts or for market cipher alerts. So the green dot and the blood diamonds on all time frames, all this stuff which is useful to have as notifications. Or maybe sometimes you're in a trade and you miss a 4-hour blood diamond, and this channel helps you to get the alert. It's a 4-hour blood diamond, so maybe I should close my long or something like this. So this is alert based on the cipher. And it also, as you see here, it shows divergencies. It will post divergency setups, but on all time frames. So you have to know what these alerts are doing. And for that, you have to be aware of market cipher. And I made a playlist with the market cipher stuff, which is from CryptoFace. And yeah, on that you get every information. What does it mean? So it can be that it's bullish on the 15 minutes, but bearish on the 12 hour. But yeah, I have put in every time frame. And after that, you have the BitMEX bot, which is trading currently only Bitcoin. And then the Bybit bot, our best one, which trades all assets. So XRP, Bitcoin, ETH, and EOS. Then we have the DCA bot, which is the DCA bot for Bybit, which opens, it's kind of an, it's a DCA, but it's not automated. The other channels are automated, so the signals is automated and also the Bybit and BitMEX bot, but the DCA bot is not automated. I can't automate this right now. there is a solution, but for that solution I have to pay $10 per user. And yeah, our monthly fee is usually $19, and when I spend $10 per user for this DCA bot, there is 9 left, and this we would do minus at the end of the month. So yeah, but I think of a solution on that. Yeah, I think that's it. Then we have the public channel, of course. Nice, blockchain master. See you soon. Yeah, this Carlos, this is sometimes people get confused. They get just a bunch of stuff, a bunch of channels, but I think every channel is useful, and you can mute it or leave it, whatever. With the bot you can join again, so it's not a big thing, but I can understand it, as there are 7 channels, and usually the normal crypto trader is with like 10,000 channels, right? So I just saw that I'm happy that I closed my position up here because we are now down. So you see, it's a good thing to cash in profit, even on the small time frame when you're not feeling that good. Setup was there, but yeah, closed it and it was in profit. Right now I would be near my stop loss, which was here. But yeah, these are the channels, and you should get a message with the explanation and links. And then our big thing this month is the competition, which still needs 70 persons to unlock the stuff. So also this info you get in the welcome message. And we have 8 days left, so and everyone can join, and you should do it even when you're not trading. There is still a chance that you're in the top 10, or when you just do one trade, cash in 10%, and the other one just lose, you still have the chance to win something, and it's free. So you should definitely join here, all of you, so we can unlock this. So I'm not sure if we get another setup here. And it was a really busy day. And I think I will cut the stream now. But I'm still there on the VIP chat. Just remember, everyone can join now. Just go to OnwardBTC. Take your code. and go in. And sure, for the competition, create your Bybit account. You can open as many Bybit accounts as you want, so you can play with 10 accounts in this competition, it doesn't matter. Then here you can join the competition. Just join it here. And yeah, that's it. I hope you all join, and we see you in the VIP chat. See ya.